I hope you have a good day in the story night.
Snap. She just got
Oh
what she
yeah,
got.
and
My leg
now
ended up being
let's
out.
go to the video.
And
Come on, kids. We have to go to taxi. Almost here. These kids. Girls, do you have the stuff? I have the water. And I got the sandwich bag. Okay, girls, this is then tell me.
so imagine a Biscoff cookie in there. Would you have liked that?
Pull. Look, I can jump into a diving board, see? No, I can do better. See? I'm the better one. I do better than you. And you can do it because you're small. You can do it too.
What did I do?
What was saying that?
Yeah, I can. And I can do this. On her. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. So why did you drop your sister into the pool like that? Jeez, Mom. Not to get mad at me like that. You're grounded for the rest of the Oh, man, are you okay? So you got me into the pool and it really hurt. I could die. Oh dear. Hey, don't cry. I always scolded her. Are you okay? I am not fine.
First wins, and this is gonna be easy.
I don't have any friends. Why isn't it?
I always do this to Gray.
It's because they think I'm
No, but that's my book. That's mine.
No. I don't think you're annoying. I think you're awesome. Oh, thank you.
Why are you taking my toy?
Thank you.
No, dog.
I will see you in the next one. See ya. Zoe, stop crying.